Hello students, in Mathematics Part 1, let us continue with Chapter 7 Statistics, where we shall study the measures of central tendency and solve practice set 7.5. Measures of central tendency. What is central tendency? If the data collected in a survey of a group is sufficiently large, then the numbers in the data tend to cluster around, that is, crowd around a certain number. This property is called the central tendency of the group. The number around which the numbers in the data tend to cluster or crowd around is called the measure of central tendency. It is supposed that the measure is a representative of the data. In statistics, the measures of central tendency mainly used are as follows. The first is mean. The arithmetical average of all observations in the given data is known as its arithmetic mean or simply mean. It is also known as average. Mean is equal to the sum of all observations in the data upon the total number of observations. For example, find the mean of numbers 25, 30, 27, 23 and 25. Solution: the mean is equal to the sum of all observations upon the total number of observations. Here the number of observations is 5. Therefore the mean is equal to 25 plus 30 plus 27 plus 23 plus 25 divided by 5, and that is equal to 130 upon 5, which is equal to 26. Let us study the next measure of central tendency, which is median. The scores are arranged in ascending or descending order. If the number of observations is odd, then the number appearing exactly at the middle position in this order is known as the median of the observations. If the number of observations is even, then the median is the average of the middle two numbers. For example, in subdivision 1, find the median of 54, 63, 66, 72, 98, 87 and 92. Solution: arranging the given data in ascending order, we get 54, 63, 66, 72, 78, 87 and 92. Here the number of observations is 7, which is odd. The fourth number is at the middle position, which is 72. Therefore the median of the scores is equal to 72. Let us look at example 2. Find the median of the data 30, 25, 32, 23, 42, 36, 40, 33, 21 and 43. Let us write the given observations in the ascending order, which is 21, 23, 25, 30, 32, 33, 36, 40, 42 and 43. Here the number of observations is 10, which is an even number. Therefore the fifth and sixth numbers are in the middle position. Those numbers are 32 and 33. Therefore the median is equal to 32 plus 33 divided by 2, which is equal to 65 upon 2, and which is equal to 32.5. Let us study the next measure of central tendency, which is mode. The score which is repeated maximum number of times in the given data is known as the mode of the data. For example, find the mode of 90, 55, 67, 55, 75, 75, 40, 35, 55 and 95. Solution: the ascending order of the given data is 35, 40, 55, 55, 55, 67, 75, 75, 90 and 95. The observation which is repeated the maximum number of times is 55. Therefore, the mode of the given data is 55. Let us solve practice set 7.5. Question 1. Yield of soya bean per acre in quintal in Mukun's field for 7 years was 10, 7, 53969, Find the mean of yield per acre. Solution: the mean is equal to the sum of all observations in the given data upon the total number of observations. Therefore, the mean is equal to 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 divided by the number of observations, which is 7. This is equal to 49 upon 7, which is equal to 7. The mean is 7. Our final answer is the mean of yield per acre is 7 quintal. Question 2. Find the median of the observations 59, 75, 68, 70, 74, 75 and 80. Solution: arranging the data in the ascending order, we get 59, 68, 70, 74, 75, 75 and 80. Therefore, the number of observations, which is small n, is equal to 7, which is an odd number. Therefore, the median is the middlemost observation. Here, the fourth number is at the middle position, which is equal to 74. Therefore, the median of the given data is 74. Let us solve question number 4. The monthly salaries in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are given below. From the above given data, find the mean of monthly salary. Solution: in the frequency distribution table, we will write the monthly salary, which is Xi, the number of workers Fi, which is the frequency, and the product of the frequency and monthly salary, that is Fi into Xi. Therefore, for the monthly salary of rupees 3000, the number of workers, that is the frequency, is 8. Therefore, the product is 24,000. For a monthly salary of rupees 4000, the number of workers is 7 and the product is 28,000. For a salary of rupees 5000, the frequency is 5 and the product is 25,000. For rupees 6000, product is 24,000. For rupees 7000, the frequency is 3 and the product is 21,000. For rupees 8,000, the number of workers, that is the frequency, is 2 and the product is 16,000. And for a monthly salary of rupees 9,000, the number of workers, that is the frequency, is 1 and the product is 9,000. The sum of all frequencies, that is sigma Fi, is equal to 30, and the sum of the product of the frequency, that is Fi, into the monthly salary, that is Xi, is equal to 1,47,000. Therefore, the mean X bar is equal to sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi, which is equal to 1,47,000 divided by 30, which is equal to rupees 4,900. Therefore, the mean of monthly salary is rupees 4,900. Question 5. In a basket there are 10 tomatoes. The weight of each of these tomatoes in grams is as follows: 60, 70, 90, 95, 50, 65, 70, 80, 85 and 95. Find the median of the weights of tomatoes. Solution: arranging the given data in ascending order, we get 50, 60, 65, 70, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95 and 95. Therefore, the number of observations small n is equal to 10, which is an even number. Therefore, median is the average of the middle two observations. Here, the fifth and sixth numbers are in the middle position. Therefore, the median is equal to 70 plus 80 upon 2. Therefore, median is equal to 150 upon 2, which is equal to 75. Therefore, the median of the weights of tomatoes is 75 grams. Question 6. A hockey player has scored following numbers of goals in matches: 5-4-0-2, 2-4-4, 3 and 3. Find the mean, median and mode of the data. Solution: subdivision 1. Let us first find the mean. The given data is 5, 4, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 3 and 3. The total number of observations is equal to 9. Therefore, the mean is equal to the sum of all the observations in the data upon the total number of observations. Mean is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 9. That is equal to 27 upon 9, which is equal to 3. Therefore, the mean of the given data is 3. Subdivision 2. Let us now find the median. The given data in ascending order is 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Therefore, the number of observations small n is equal to 9, which is an odd number. Therefore, the median is the middlemost observation. Here, the fifth number is at the middle position, which is 3. Therefore, the median of the given data is 3. Now let us find the mode. Subdivision 3. The given data in ascending order is 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Here the observation repeated the maximum number of times is 4. Therefore, the mode of the given data is 4. Question 7. The calculated mean of 50 observations was 80. It was later discovered that observation 19 was recorded by mistake as 91. What was the correct mean? Solution: given mean is equal to 80 and the number of observations is equal to 50. Therefore, mean is equal to the sum of all observations in the data divided by the total number of observations. We have to find the sum of all observations in the given data. Therefore, the sum of all the observations is equal to the mean into total number of observations. Therefore, the sum of 50 observations is equal to 80 into 50, which is equal to 4000. One of the observation was 19. However, by mistake it was recorded as 91. Sum of observations after correction is equal to the sum of 50 observations plus the correct observation minus the incorrect observation. This is equal to 4000 plus 19 minus 91, which is equal to 3928. Therefore, the corrected mean is equal to the sum of all observations after correction upon the total number of observations, which is equal to 3928 upon 50 and which is equal to 78.56. Therefore, the corrected mean is 78.56. Let us solve question number 8. Following 10 observations are arranged in ascending order as follows: 2, 3, 5, 9, x plus 1, x plus 3, 14, 16, 19 and 20. If the median of the data is 11, find the value of x. Solution: the given data in ascending order is 2, 3, 5, 9, x plus 1, x plus 3, 14, 16, 19 and 20. Therefore, the number of observations small n is equal to 10, which is an even number. Therefore, median is the average of middle two observations. Here, the fifth and the sixth numbers are in the middle position. Therefore, the median is equal to x plus 1 plus x plus 3 upon 2. Therefore, 11 is equal to 2x plus 4 upon 2. On cross multiplying, we get 22 is equal to 2x plus 4. Therefore, 2x is equal to 22 minus 4. Therefore, 2x is equal to 18. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 9. Question 9. The mean of 35 observations is 20, out of which mean of the first 18 observations is 15 and the mean of the last 18 observations is 25. Find the 18th observation. Solution: the mean is equal to the sum of all observations in the given data upon the total number of observations. Therefore, the sum of all observations is equal to mean into the total number of observations. The mean of 35 observations is 20. Therefore, the sum of 35 observations is equal to 20 into 35, which is equal to 700. Let this be 1. The mean of the first 18 observations is 15. Therefore, the sum of the first 18 observations is equal to 15 into 18, which is equal to 270. Let this be 2. The mean of the last 18 observations is 25. Therefore, the sum of the last 18 observations is equal to 25 into 18, which is equal to 450. Let this be 3. Therefore, the 18th observation is equal to the sum of the first 18 observations plus the sum of the last 18 observations minus the sum of 35 observations. This is equal to 270 plus 450 minus 700 from 1, 2 and 3. This is equal to 720 minus 700, which is equal to 20. Therefore, the 18th observation is 20. Question 10. The mean of 5 observations is 50. One of the observations was removed from the data. Hence, the mean became 45. Find the observation which was removed. Solution. The mean is equal to the sum of all observations in the data upon the total number of observations. Therefore, the sum of all observations is equal to mean into the total number of observations. The mean of 5 observations is 50. Therefore, the sum of 5 observations is equal to 50 into 5, which is equal to 250. Let this be 1. One observation was removed and the mean of the remaining data is 45. Total number of observations after removing one observation is equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. Now mean of the observations is 45. Therefore, the sum of 4 observations is equal to 45 into 4, which is equal to 180. Let this be 2. Therefore, the observation which was removed is equal to the sum of 5 observations minus the sum of 4 observations. That is equal to 250 minus 180, which is equal to 70. This is from 1 and 2. Therefore, the observation which was removed is 70. Question 11. There are 40 students in a class. Out of them, 15 are boys. The mean of marks obtained by boys is 33 and that for girls is 35. Find out the mean of all students in the class. Solution. The total number of students is equal to 40. Number of boys is equal to 15. Therefore, the number of girls is equal to 40 minus 15, which is equal to 25. The mean of marks obtained by 15 boys is 33, which is given. Here, the sum of the marks obtained by boys is equal to 33 into 15, which is equal to 495. Let this be 1. The mean of marks obtained by 25 girls is 35. Therefore, the sum of the marks obtained by girls is equal to 35 into 25, which is equal to 875. Let this be 2. The sum of the marks obtained by boys and girls together is equal to 495 plus 875 from 1 and 2. This is equal to 1370. Therefore, the mean of all the students is equal to the sum of the marks of all the students upon the total number of students, which is equal to 1370 divided by 40, and that is equal to 34.25. Therefore, the mean of all the students in the class is 34.25. Let us solve question 13. In the following table, the information is given about the number of families and the siblings in the families less than 14 years of age. Find the mode of the data. From the given table, we observe that the number of families with one sibling is 15, with two siblings is 25, with three siblings is 5, and with four siblings is 5. Solution. Here, the maximum frequency is 25. Since the mode is equal to observations having maximum frequency, therefore the mode of the given data is 2. Question 14. Find the mode of the following data. From the given table, we observe that the number of students who scored 35 marks is 9, 36 marks is 7, 37 marks is 9, 38 marks is 4, number of students who scored 39 marks is 4, and the number of students who scored 40 marks is 2. Solution. Here, the maximum frequency is 9. Mode is equal to observations having the maximum frequency, but this is the frequency of 2 observations. Therefore, the mode is equal to 35 and 37.